Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into the Colonial RV YouTube channel. Joe Welch is here and we are back with another service tech tip video. And today we're going to be running through another winterization. Whether you plan to winter camp or not this year, temperatures are going to be dropping quickly, which means it's time to winterize your RV. Are you ready? Let's go. As we were stressed in this winterization series, it is crucial that you don't wait too long before winterization because it could mean thousands of dollars in repairs. Winterizing your RV ensures that your unit is ready come next season. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to get notified when we drop a new RV related video on our channel. Today we will be winterizing a 2023 Winnebago Navion 24D. Keep in mind that every RV system is set up a little bit differently, so if you're unsure about your configuration, please refer to the manufacturer or make an appointment with our service department today. And before starting your winterization, you're going to need to ensure that you have a couple of key items. First, like RV-specific antifreeze, using regular car antifreeze is highly toxic to humans and should never be used in an RV. And the second would be a pump converter kit. This is something we also carry. This will hook up directly to your water pump and help you transport antifreeze through your system. So Winnebago makes it nice and easy for us to go ahead and start winterizing. The first thing I want you to do is come back to your bathroom, go to your bottom cabinet here, and you're going to see below your panels, your 12 volt, that we have our winterization valve 1 and winterization valve 3. So we're actually going to take this whole panel off. There's 4 screws in the corner here. So now that we've got our panel out of our way, we can see that our winterization valve 1 is on the bottom here. That's this guy. It's in normal position right now. We want to tie the cold and the hot together, and now we've bypassed the water heater here. So to find our second winterization valve position, we're going to have to come to the rear corner on the driver's side of the unit, go to our back storage, pop this guy open, and we'll actually see up on the top, normal to winterize. So we're going to turn that to winterize, and then we actually have our converter kit line right here. So we're going to go ahead and put that in our antifreeze bottle. Taking our cap off. Now we can go ahead, turn on our pump and get inside and start running our antifreeze through our lines. So now that we have winterization valve in position 2, while we're walking back inside, we should stop at our Truma AquaGo, take off our door here, and we should just shut the unit off on the side. Make sure it's on the off position. I'm going to actually leave the door open because once we're done with the entire system, we're going to come out and we're going to drain and take the filter out of our water heater here. We just want to make sure it's off so it doesn't run while we run our hot side inside. So because winterization valve 2 has the pickup line in the antifreeze bottle, I can go ahead, make sure my pump is on, and pump antifreeze through my cold and my hot. So next we'll scoot over and do our commode here. Just want to make sure that getting that antifreeze through the system. Now behind me we have our shower head. Just want to pull this down and I'm going to turn it all the way on. Now that we're finished with our bathroom here, the last thing inside we have is our beautiful kitchen sink on the end of the kitchenette here. So I actually want to get antifreeze in both drains, and had there been water in the line, I would want to run the hot until the clear water turns pink, and then I would want to turn to the cold, doing the same thing, letting the clear water turn to pink. Just like I said, I want to get antifreeze in both drains there. Now we're done with the inside and we can go out to the last thing, our outdoor shower. So at the rear here, we can grab our outdoor shower. and open our hot and then our cold. Once we're done with that, inside here we also have our fresh tank drain, our hot side drain, and our cold side drain. These are low points, so to speak. So I just want to go ahead and let out whatever little bit of water would be left in my drain there. And I'd actually leave the fresh tank open to let that drain out all the way as well. So remember what I said outside, we are going to winterization valve 3, which is on the top right here. This guy is in its normal position now, which is facing up. Turning it to the right here is draining the line, and turning it all the way down is draining both the water heater and the hot line to the water heater. Lastly, Truman doesn't want any antifreeze left in the unit or ran through it or, God forbid, turned on and boiled in the unit itself. So not only is it bypassed and it's being drained, also I want to open the pressure release and I want to remove my filter. So I'm actually lifting this plastic tab and bringing down this yellow lever, and it's going to pull out my filter here, and this would be water had antifreeze not got inside, and the water would be running out, and we would remove our filter, stow it next to our unit or in our unit in general, and then once we've completely drained out the heater, we're closing back up our valve, leaving our filter behind, and shutting our door for the winter. Keep in mind, I'd recommend throwing the excess antifreeze left in your bottle down all your drains, and I'd recommend emptying your black and gray tanks once you're done. Follow these steps and you'll have nothing to worry about over these winter months. If you don't wish to winterize your own RV, or you're worried about messing up anything during the steps, then please don't hesitate to call our service department and set up your winterization appointment today. Before we end this video, we would really appreciate everyone hitting the like button and subscribing if they haven't already. If you found this video helpful or you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or reach out to us at colonialrv.com. Our phone number is 800-265-9019. My name is Joe Welches, and I'll see you all again in the next Colonial Service Tech tip video.